If I could throw everything away, would living with a smile, but my heart would still hurt again. So I won't say anything more. No matter how close you get to me, my heart belongs to only one. Even if I scream, struggle, and my eyelids tremble, you still hold me tight and won't let go. It's alright now. Hey, if my wish could come true, I want the nexus for you. So at least come here to me. No matter how much you love me, my heart belongs to only one.